Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. All right, so we are in a balcony or a veranda cabin here on board the Disney Magic, cabin number 6632. So let's do a quick cabin tour. All right, so starting up here by the front door, of course, you have your bed. Nice size bed. Beside each side of the bed, it does have power options. You got multiple light switches. You got your thermostat. I like the lamps. They're very detailed. Disney definitely puts a lot of detail into their room. But it does have a curtain here if you want to separate the bed from the sitting area. On the other side of the bed, you have another detailed lamp. You have your phone, and you also have power on this side. You have a couch. You have a Tiffany. You got your coffee table. Then you have your desk area here. And Tiffany will show us some of the stuff in it, but it does have a mirror. Even the lights next to the mirror, they have little Mickey Mouses on them. But you have your desk area. Lots of drawers in this room.
Hair dryer.
With the hair dryer.
And a pad for your curling iron so you don't burn the counter.
You got the refrigerator. You got a TV. You got cabinets above the TV. And so if you keep coming around here at the end of the bed, you have even more cabinets. Some more drawers.
They're pretty deep drawers too.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of storage in here. You have space on top.
Lots of artwork.
Lots of artwork. And come up here even, and you have more drawer space. A little bar area. All those are drawers. So you have like 3 drawers down here. Then you have the closet, which has your safe, more shelves, hangers, and lots of stuff to store. All right, now Disney does their bathrooms a little bit different. They do a split bathroom. So you actually have 2 doors. And we're going to start here on this side. So on the first half, you have your tub shower combo. So if you got little ones, that's good. Or if you just want to take a small bath. And then Disney uses the H2O products for their showers. Now, it's just me personally, but I think that's some of the best smelling products that are available. They even have lotion.
Makeup towels.
Makeup towels, more power outlets. They got Little Mermaid signs over there. Even their towels have Disney logos on them. So Disney takes their logoing pretty seriously. But that is one half of your bathroom. And then you come over here to the other side, and you have another sink, more H2O products. You have your hair dryer. You have me in the mirror. More shelving, more towels. But your toilet is on this side. So your toilet and your shower are separate. So one person can be doing their business and one person can be washing, showering, getting ready. Now this is a balcony. So we're going to take a quick look out here on the balcony. And of course you got 2 chairs, a little table, then a nice unobstructed view. It's a pretty wide little balcony. Definitely good enough size for the 2 of us.
Yes.
All right, and that is a veranda or balcony cabin, depending on Disney likes to use the word veranda. But that is a balcony cabin. I'll do a quick little tour here. One more time saying hi to Tiffany. All right, and that is our balcony cabin. I said cabin 6632 here on the Disney Magic. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there has a really great day. And like always, we will see you out here on the high seas.